Hi students. So this is the last question of this exercise 13.2, simplify. So all these problems are very easy, and these are similar to that second question. So here the first one problem is that 2 raised to 5 bracket raised to n into 7 raised to 3 divided by 8 raised to 3 into 7. So here, to do the multiplication here, bases are not same, the downside also the same situation is here, and here it is possible for us to do the division because here the bases are same. So here again we have to make a little bit modification regarding this 8. We have to write this 8 in the form of prime factors. I mean, see here, let me write this 8. Let me first find the prime factors of this 8. 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. So here 8 means it is 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So 8 means it is a 2 raised to 3. Remaining right as it is. 2 raised to 5 bracket raised to 2 into 7 raised to 3, and 8 means how much it is? 2 raised to 3 bracket raised to 3 we have to write as it is, and the 7 write as it is. Okay, so here now the next step is that here we have to use the law of exponent. A raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to 2 into 2 raised to 5 into 2, 7 raised to 3 right as it is, and this one also same, 2 raised to 3 into 3 into 7. Here you have to write the reason because a raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Okay, so the next step is that 2 raised to 10, and this one 7 raised to 3, and this one 2 raised to 3 3s are 9. Okay, and this 7 right as it is. Okay, the next step is that here the bases are same, here also bases are same. A raised to m divided by a raised to n. Here you have to use the another law of exponent here. Okay, 10 minus 9 and put into sign, 7 raised to 3 minus 1. Okay, so the next step is that 2 raised to 1 and 7 raised to 2. So the answer is 2 into 7 raised to 2 is the solution for this first question of fifth question. Okay, let me solve another one. See the second problem of this question, all of you students here. Here also we have to do this a little bit modification regarding this 25 and 10. Okay, so this 25 I have to write like this, I mean 5 raised to 2, and this one 5 raised to 2 I have to write as it is, and t raised to 8 write as it is, and this 8 I write as a 2 into 10. Okay, sorry, 2 5s are, I write this as a 2 into 5 and bracket raised to 3. See, let me repeat one more time this steps, students, all of you see here. I this 25 write like this, I mean here you have to find the prime factors of this 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 25 means it is how much? It is a 5 square. Okay, 25 means it is a 5 square. Remaining I wrote as it is here, and this 10 we have to write like this, 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5, 2 into 5, and this one 3 we have to write as it is. Okay, and again this t raised to 4 write as it is. Okay, so the next step is that here we have to first do the simplification of this thing. Remaining right as it is, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2, t raised to 8. Okay, divided by, this is another law of exponent, that a into b bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. I mean 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3 t raised to 4, right, as it is. Okay. So the next one, here we have to use the law of exponent, that 5 raised to 2 plus 2. Okay, 5 raised to 2 plus 2, and this one t raised to 8, right, as it is. Okay, and this downside also write as it is. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3 into t raised to 4. You have to write the reason. Okay, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, here also we have to write the reason for this step I am telling. Okay, a into b bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. Understood? See the next step, students. Here this is 5 raised to 4 and this one t raised to 8. Okay, and this one 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3 into t raised to 4. So the next is that 5 raised to 4, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n, and this one a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, this 2 raised to 3 right as it is. Okay, so this one becomes 5 raised to 1, and this one becomes this one becomes 5 raised to 1, and this one becomes t raised to 4, and this 2 raised to 3 right as it is. Okay, here we have to write the reason. A raised to m division a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So 5 into t raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 3 is the solution for this second question, students. So this is the solution for the last question of this exercise. Okay, so this question contains total 3 problems. I solved 2, and remaining on you practice in home. Okay, so tomorrow I will come with a new exercise. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.